A very good morning, all of you. So, once again, heartily welcome to the Konika BBA BCA College Bijapur. Well, dear students, almost all we are finished model number second. So, we are to be discussed on the third model. The subject is element of cost and market analysis. So, this is the most important. That is the third one. That is nothing but as a main is a cost and revenue concept. That is the main title of this model number third is that cost and revenue concept. So before we want to go for the revenue concept, we have to go what is the cost. It is the most important as per your subject title elements of cost and market analysis. So in third model, the problem it will come, that is a very important model. If suppose the university will conduct the examination, this also be a compulsory question, it will comes on the cost. So problem it will comes, you have to be very careful about that. So that is nothing but as a cost. Cost means what? Suppose I will give you the simple examination. Suppose if you have a marriage in house for your sisters or any cousins, whatever you are spending for the making of the food or success of this marriage, you are spending expenditure or not, or spending money and all this, that money is nothing but as a cost. But in business, the cost means whatever amount you are spending for the making of the product at the time of production or at the time of sending of material from the production point to the consumer point, whatever the expenses will comes, all this we are called as a cost. Different names are there, but this is called as a cost. A manufacturer or a businessman, whatever amount he is spending for making of product or transferring of product from production point to the consumer point, all expenses incurred by the businessman, it is called as a cost. Here also they are written meaning of cost. Those expenses faced by business in the process of supplying goods and services to consumers. This is also we say it is called as a cost. Whatever amount you are incurred or spending for a business for the goods and services supplying to a consumers, it is called as a cost. So means that whatever amount you are sending or incurring or investing for the making of a product, and you are sending a product from the production point, also a service to the consumer point, whatever the expenses will comes, it is called as a cost. This is called as a cost. Cost means that a businessman, whatever investing, whatever expenditure at the time of making or production, it is called as a cost. That is a cost. Okay. Well, concept of cost. What are the concept of cost? There are a 28 types of concept of cost are there. Concept of cost means that there are a different type of cost is there. Suppose the question it will comes, define cost of concept. So you have to write 1, 2, 3 and all this in totally 28 types of cost are there. So one by one we have to know today. So this is our third model we are discussing. Cost means a manufacturer or a maker will be spending money whatever in the comes in the production, or either he is sending material from the production point to the consumption point, whatever expenses will come, all it is nothing but as a cost. Okay, cost concept. First we have to go. So opportunity cost means what? Opportunity means that suppose we will get a business from the other alternative. For that purposes, we are going, we are finding, we are searching, we are meeting and all this. At the time of you are spending lot of money, it is called as a opportunity cost. Suppose you have heard that something you are getting business from that place. So at that place, you have to go there and meet somebody. asking about the business and all. At the time, whatever the expenditure it will come, it is called as a opportunity cost. Actual cost is nothing but as a second actual cost. Actual cost is nothing but as a in the loss of earning due to the lost opportunity, whatever paid for expenses, it is called actually cost. Whatever expenses it will come in business, we are paying, it is called actual cost. Opportunity cost, for earning purposes, we are going and meeting somebody. So whatever the expenditure comes, that is called as a opportunity cost. Actual cost is whatever expenses we are paying, that is called as a actual cost. Next, business cost. Business cost means what? So business cost includes all expenses which are incurred in carrying out a business. Suppose if you want to do a business, whatever expenses will come for the business, you are purchasing materials, purchasing raw material, purchasing machinery, everything. If you connect it to your business expense, whatever it will become, whatever you are paying for the making of business, it is called as a business cost. Okay. Then full cost. Full cost is nothing but as a include business in cost, opportunity cost, normal profit cost. Full cost is nothing but as whatever you are paying for the opportunity cost and for business, whatever the expenditure will come in the business, that's also, and making for normal business also, you have to spending some money and also all cost including all business cost, normal business cost, opportunity cost, normal profit cost, everything whatever you are paying, that all cost included is nothing but as a full cost. Okay. Then direct cost. Suppose your operation is going on, means that business is going on, your production going on, you are paying directly the amount unit of. So this much you are making product. So for this, how much your expenditure come, you have to pay immediately. That is called as a direct cost. Indirect cost is nothing but as a you are paying for electricity bill, stationaries, and other office expenses like that tea, coffee, and whatever you are taking, stationaries or whatever you have to pay for the office equipment, and the nothing but as a electricity bill and stationery, whatever amount you are paying for that, it is called as a indirect cost. Here the fifth one. Sixth one we have to do here. Incremental cost. Incremental cost is nothing but as a whatever you are paying cost other than the cost you are paying extra additional cost, it is called as a incremental cost. Suppose example, 100 rupees you have to pay for him, 100 rupees one and 50 rupees for the others additional they are asking. So like that they are is nothing but as a additional. Suppose you take example, you are bringing material in the auto or some carriers. So they are asking about the material for 100 rupees. That is a rent. 100 rupees you are paid, and then he is asking about that one passenger is sitting, that extra 20 rupees there. So that is nothing but as an additional cost. So whatever cost you are paying, apart from that additional whatever you are paying, it is called as an incremental cost. Then sunk cost. Sunk cost is nothing but as a alter cost of business. If you are changing any business, in changing a business, suppose you want to be displaying this, you are removing that. Again you want to paint and something you want to change that place and all this thing. For that purpose, whatever expenses it will come, it is called as a sunk cost. Okay. Then explicit cost. Explicit cost is nothing but as a hired from outside. Whatever equipment you are taking on rent basis and you are utilizing in your business, it is called as a explicit cost. So you are on the bargaining. So rent basis you are purchasing and paying a rent. It is called as a explicit cost. Implicit cost. Implicit cost is nothing but as a amount it will goes on the own or self-owned resources used. My personal resources here I used for that and I taken from the office for my personal resources. It is called as a implicity cost. Suppose my vehicle I use for the office purposes and diesel money I taken from the office. So means I my own equipment I use for the business. It is implicity cost. Self-owned resources used. Then historical cost. Historical cost is nothing but as a asset acquired. Suppose at the time of you are setting your business, that time you are spending money and all this thing for the bringing assets, purchasing of plots, purchasing and making of shed, whatever you are making for the assets for your industry. That time you are incurred. That amount is nothing but as a historical cost. That is earlier you are paid. That is called historical cost. Replacement cost. Acquiring the same plant. The replacement cost means that suppose the plant already it will be repair and all this thing, and you are take out and again you are bringing on the repairs and all this thing, whatever replacing for that cost is that rent you have to pay for that, transportation you have to pay. That is nothing but as a replacement cost. Past cost is nothing but as a whatever amount you are paid in the past. Earlier you are paid expenses. It is called as a past. Future cost. In future, we want to something transfer our material from one place to another, or if we want to go and some opening of new plant and all this in future, next month, next year, for that purposes expenses it will come this much. That is nothing but future cost. Then shutdown cost. Shutdown cost is nothing but as a whenever your plant it will be closed, you have to take out all important machinery and all from one place to another. That time it will whatever you are incurring that money or expenditure, it is called as a shutdown cost. Abandonment cost. Abandonment cost is nothing but as a when your machinery's life is over. Machinery already you are buy from 20 years it is working and life is dead. Machinery will not working properly and you are sending out that time whatever expenditure it will comes for sending out, it is called as a retiring plan. It is nothing abandonment cost. Abandonment cost is nothing but as a retiring of plant, machinery and all these things. You have to be leave that plant and machinery. For that expenditure it will be come. Then next is that 21 real cost. Real cost is actually you are incurred in business or actually expenses incurred in business. It is a real cost. Prime cost. Prime cost is a cost whatever you are spending at the time of production only. That is called as a prime cost of commodity. Then urgent cost for continuing your production. Immediately you want money. Sometime you want to be a money. Whatever you are spending at that time, it is called as a cost or urgent cost. Then postponable. Postponable cost is nothing but as a cost that is a time being. You have to be stop production and postponing net. That time it will become as a some cost it will comes for the shutdown and you have to be light bill, electricity bill, whatever it becomes. That is nothing but as a postponable cost. Then execrable cost. Execrable cost is nothing but as a reducing business construction. Sometime you are making a business good, so you want to make economical business. So means that in that you have to cost cutting. At that time some cost you have to spending on that. So like that, suppose you are constructing house, so you have to give some money to the person who will be cost cutting. Don't waste the cement, you don't waste that material also. So you have to be economically, you have to at that time also be some cost it will goes. That is called as a escapable cost. Execrable cost is reducing the business construction. Then unavoidable cost. Unavoidable cost is nothing but as a cash. You have to be do not change anything thing. You have to be changed, you will be lost. That is why here unavoidable cost is nothing but at that time you can't be changed. At that time, so production will continue and compulsory you have to invest the money. You can't be avoid the expenditure. At that time, the expenses will comes. That is called as a unavoidable cost. Then out of pocket cost. Out of pocket cost is nothing but as a cash transfer from your account to the another. At that time, whatever commission you are paid to the banks and all this thing, that is called as a out of pocket cost. Then last one is a book cost. Book cost is nothing but as a allowances you have to pay for the writing of your books, petty cash, ledger book, cash book. At that time, some expenditure will come. For that cost, we are calling as a book cost. So these are the 28 costs are there. It is called as a cost concept. Opportunity cost, actual cost, business cost, full cost, direct cost, indirect cost, incremental cost, sunk cost, explicit cost, implicit cost, historical cost, replacement cost, past cost, future cost, set down cost, abandonment cost, real cost, prime cost, urgent cost, postponable cost, escapable cost, unavoidable cost, out of pocket cost, and book cost. These are the 28 cost concepts are there. I am sending notes out. You have to be remember these. This is the most important question. Is that suppose the examination it comes, it is a 10 marks questions. You have to be write these. If you are not writing 2 to 3 lines, at least you have to write these cost name. Okay. Tomorrow we will be continue. So you have to remember all these things. Thank you very much.